Be loving it, man.
The landscape is beautiful, you guys. I'm like, what? This is crazy, mad, beautiful. Like, I love it. Wow. Jamaica is so green, guys, as you all see. I'm still amazed, honestly. You know, we're driving and I'm like, wow, Jamaica is beautiful. And I have a video coming out, and of course I'm here with Jamaican Walk By.
Yeah.
And we're going to get some food because I'm hungry.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah, so let's see what we'll find here. So this is also one of those elite neighborhoods in Jamaica, and you can all see how the view like.
Guess what? I just got a link while I'm driving there saying that Dee is actually wanting to head to Kingston and things, so we could actually link up and drive together to Kingston. And if you don't know Dee, Dee is actually Iam Marwa's sister. So I'm gonna get a nice collaboration video in on our way to Kingston. If you hear my voice, I'm very excited and things. So I'll be picking up Dee. I'm almost where she at because she's actually on the way to where I'm going. So I'm just gonna pick her up and we're just gonna do whatever on the way to Kingston, you understand? And yeah, I'm in a bit of rush, but you know, it's fine. I'm just gonna be excited and so big up everybody. You'll see me picking up Dee and we're just gonna have some fun. Dee's a rural traveler. As I said, she's Marwa's sister. Very big content creator. Big up every time she's in Jamaica. This is like a lifetime opportunity because she probably never ever come back to Jamaica, you understand? So big up and I'm excited. Let's see what happens. Is it me I say? Yeah, man. Who is that? So I'm actually here with Marwa's sister. OMG. Marwa, look at this. Look at this. I'm here with your sister.
Yeah.
Look at her. So how you enjoying Jamaica?
Yeah, welcome guys. Hope you're doing well. My name is Dee Mwango. I am Marwa's sister, and I'm here with Jamaican Walk By in Jamaica.
Jamaica,
the land we all love.
That is it. So a while ago we were here. The story was so nice. We didn't have it on tape. That would be so cool. You know where she was at. Really nice, really good place and thing. But guess what? The door actually was stuck because of the weather. Alright? So she could have got out her Airbnb room after being there. Trying to get it open. And stuff like that. So, you know, it was just crazy. I'm not gonna keep you in the sun because we have a busy day and we're heading to where?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Kingston, Jamaica. Figure that. So we're outside.
So we are leaving Mobay right now.
Alright, you wanna shout out this Airbnb?
Oh no, I already shot them. I just want to start my video. So please guys, Team D, you know how we do it. Let's get Jamaican Jamaica Walk By to 100k subscribers.
Figure that. I need it. Woo. Let's go. We're hitting the road now. Yeah, massive. So we actually just reached Iron Shore, and you know, Dee wants to get some food. She wants to eat some organic food. She's saying.
Yeah, guys.
So we're out in Iron Shore right now. I'm gonna take her to a restaurant.
Do some takeaway so that
there.
you go.
Yeah.
Because you're in a rush, so
yeah.
I don't wanna hold you also.
Yeah. So we're just gonna.
This is one of the rich neighborhoods, guys. I have a video here. It will soon be out. Iron Shore is where rich people live in Jamaica. in Mobay.
Alright, in Montego Bay, you will find that a lot. Yeah, man. So this is like one of the second city. It is beautiful, no joke. People classify Iron Shore this like the Miami of Jamaica.
The Miami of Jamaica.
Look at the palm trees and stuff on both sides.
The houses in here, I was like, damn, you guys, Jamaicans are rich. And I was like, well, I need to live here maybe.
So she's saying that she want to get some organic food. She don't want no stuff because she want to maintain her weight. She want to maintain her look. You understand? So I'm saying that then you just eat and go to the gym. She like, what gym? I don't go to gym. You know?
Yeah, I just want to eat some organic food.
Yeah.
That's it. Iron Shore, the Miami of Mobay of Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Wow, it's such a beautiful place. And I have a video coming out, and of course I'm here with Jamaican Walk By.
Yeah.
And we're going to get some food because I'm hungry.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah, so let's see what we'll find here. So this is also one of those elite neighborhoods in Jamaica, and you can all see how the view like. It's a beautiful place, and you want to get some food here. I feel like checking around. But we don't have all the time.
So we have this here, we have this here.
Wow.
So we have all this. That one is not open yet. That's the wrap place. Is not open yet.
We don't find that next place. Okay, let's go here.
All right.
We have some rice.
It's morning right now, so I'm not sure what is on the menu. So there's a menu over there. I'm seeing curry chicken, brown stew chicken.
Oh, okay.
Brown stew chicken. They probably have. They probably have like fried dumpling. Yeah, man. There's a juice fridge over there. So all different kind of juice. Trust me, all different kind of juice.
But the last time I saw you with Marwa on the streets, the juice were really nice. Like
yeah, we took some blended fruit punch and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, let me see. Let's go get order. I didn't even look on the change, but the food that you bought a large food, there's it. That was like 900 Jamaican dollars for the large food, and you bought 2 water and a drink.
Juice.
So it's about 1,200 or so you spend. Yeah. Because one of this is, I think this is less than $100.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's hit the road.
Definitely. Let me see what's in the box. Let me show them what's in the box.
You can
Let me hold the
it
camera for you.
Because because you don't have so much time, I'm like, we're rushing. Okay, guys, here we go. Actually, this goes for 900 Jamaican dollars, as you all see. And let me show you what we have. It's hot. Woo! You guys!
So for 900 you get a little kalaloo in there, fried dumplings, sweet potato, dumplings, banana, and you get your stew chicken and stuff. Like, wow, can you eat that off?
Yeah, of course. Why not? So this is my meal for today. Oh my gosh, it's just a takeaway, and I can't wait to show you more food in Kingston.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I can't wait.
I'm gonna tell you a few spots that you need to go, man, and get the real food.
Okay, so good. Let me dig in, guys. I'll see you when I'm done. But I need to tell you how it tastes, because this is my first time eating this in Jamaica. So maybe you could hold this for me a little bit. I don't know if there's a fork or something.
Yeah,
there's no.
Yeah, man, you're gonna have
there's
a
fork.
Yeah.
It's hot. So wow. I want to get more fit in Jamaica. I don't want to eat junkies. This is what I want to eat.
Yeah.
So you call this kalaloo?
Yes, kalaloo.
Okay, vegetables. Guys, this is the food. Boiled.
Yep.
Wow. So good. The chicken. Wow, so good.
Nice.
Bananas. I don't know what this is.
This is sweet potato. That is sweet potato.
Mango, you guys, my guys. We have this in my village.
Yeah, sweet potato.
Wow. The best.
Dee, you're hungry, man. I hear you saying like, oh, I'm hungry, I've eaten from yesterday and stuff. No? See, you don't want to stop now, you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
Guys, I eat once in a day, really. So this is woo! I love it. It's so good. Because he has to drive, I'll see you later when I'm done. But it's so delicious.
Be loving it, man.
The landscape is beautiful, you guys. I'm like, what? This is crazy, mad, beautiful. Like, I love it. Wow. Jamaica is so clean, guys, as you all see. I'm still amazed, honestly. You know, we're driving and I'm like, wow, Jamaica is beautiful. It's so green, the landscape, the roads are beautiful. I'm like, wow, Jamaica is not just the gator parts, you know, we have this other beautiful side of Jamaica, which I'll be showing you guys, you know.
So massive, we're just driving, we're actually on the Ochi leg, and we're heading from Ochi Race right now, heading towards Kingston. And trust me, I'm in Dee laughing, I'm giving her jokes and stuff, giving her some history. A lot of it is not on camera, but you know, we just out drive and all a vibe. But she's so cool, she don't want to go home, but you know the thing go. we're just chilling. I'm trying to show her a good drive. But I'm actually leaving tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be able to be in most of her video and stuff. So anybody don't know who Dee is,
Please
she is Dee Mwango, right? Mwango, right? Yeah. Dee Mwango, right? So you can check out her channel. She travels the world. She's Iam Marwa's sister. All right. So make sure you go over to her page and subscribe to her channel if you don't know what she's all about. So you'll see some different stuff, you know. And she's a girl and she's doing solo travel. So
yeah.
Oh my, how cool is that? Yeah.
It's cool, right?
That
let me know what do you think about it. Let me know in the comment box.
Yeah, let me teach you our words. Figure that.
Figure that.
That is it.
Okay, yeah, man.
We outside. Look at that.
I'm still like, woo, look at that. Jamaica.
Yo, she loves it in Jamaica, man.
The land we love.
The land we love. Yeah.
You have to stress it, you know? The way Jamaicans talk, stress it. The land we love.
She in the garage, she want to listen to reggae music.
Yeah.
She behave like she Bob Marley daughter. Yeah, I tell you, hear that? Yeah, man. So the food, you like the food?
Oh, it was nice. 10 out of 10 minus nothing.
Yeah. So I took her to the spot. You saw the spot. The spot is nice. She loved the food.
Yeah.
And she shell it down. Shell it down.
Oh.
Yeah. Down. So we're just driving, vibing and stuff, you know. I'm just gonna ask her a few questions like,
yeah,
where so far was, like, other than Jamaica, your favorite country?
Honestly, like, I'm not just saying it for the sake of the camera, but coming to Jamaica has been my biggest dream. Even me going to Europe was just like a shortcut for me to get to Jamaica. So I'm exactly where I wanted to be in life, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I can't wait to check out Jamaica and go to all places in Jamaica, everywhere. I just want to
You see how excited she is? You see how excited she is? Oh, she stepped in the van, like everything is like, oh my god, I love it.
Yeah, it's
so beautiful.
Look, guys,
oh
like,
my.
look at the landscape, man. How do you not love such a place? Like the vibe, and we're driving by the sea, and you just see the blue waters, and wow, it's crazy beautiful.
Yeah, man.
You know, and I'm enjoying the language, you know, as he speaks. I'm just listening.
Yeah, she loved the talking.
Yeah, I love the talking. You know the way you say it, like, I love the talking. You know, I love the talking.
Yeah, man. That's
talking.
By the time she ready to leave Jamaica, and what was she talking about?
Yeah, definitely.
That's what she's gonna be speaking. Yeah, man. So she wanna enjoy the nightlife. She wanna go to the parties. She wanna eat the food. She wanna go to downtown Kingston. You know, in the market. She wanna do everything. So I hope you have enough time to do all of that, but you don't know anything, come on. We're there, we're outside and thing. Yeah, man, she come out, man. You see her there? She dressed to the Jamaican, you know. She come out in her little blouse. Yeah, me see her in one of her video where she have on her Jamaican t-shirt and all of them things there. So we soon probably see her in her Jamaican shorts, Jamaican t-shirt again, and be things. Next thing she have kerchief tie around her head with the Jamaican flag. You don't know? So yeah, man, that's great. Look at this now. Look at this now. You see how we are in the mountains. Yeah, man, look at that. Wow. See it? Even sometimes with me, I see it so many times and it's still not amazing enough to me, don't it? Yeah, man, no joke.
It's beautiful. Like driving here, it's like therapy by itself. Like, you know, for those of us who love nature, wow. Charlie's here, Jamaica here.
Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica here.
So yeah, man, Dee Mwango. Yeah. So it's an African name, so it's kind of difficult for me to roll it off my tongue and stuff like that. But yeah, so yeah, man, we're there with Dee, and I'm just so happy that she's having a nice time.
Yeah, I'm loving it. And thank you also for driving me to Kingston, because I was going to take a bus. It will take me longer to get there. Yeah. And but this is beautiful, you know, like when you're in a bus, you couldn't feel it this way, you know, because there's so many people in there. Sure. So thank you so much as well. I really appreciate it.
It's like God working out this way because I was supposed to be leaving in the morning anyways. So when we got in touch and she said that hey, she's gonna head to Kingston right now, I'm like, yeah, like I'm actually heading down too. So it's always great to get a video in, and I'm loving it. So massive, remember, if you're not yet subscribed to Dee, make sure that you guys go and subscribe. See? She's there and see. That is it.
Yeah, it's great. We can't wait to see New York videos.
Yeah, I probably when I first time never see me really a record really. I mean, I have a Jamaica walk by t-shirt. That to tell you that I was just heading home, you know. Yeah, after the situation with the June, I'm messed up in the brain. Like I'm barely even talking and stuff. But I want to make sure that she have a nice time going down. Look at that. Yeah, man, catch it.
This is Jamaica, the land below.
Yeah, man. Look at
The clouds, everything is so beautiful. Everything blends in.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I say yeah, man.
Yeah, man. A little later.
When you go home, you're gonna be like, that is it. Yeah. So, yeah, bro, we're outside. That is it.
Finally.
Yeah, so we're actually.
Finally, we are here, and I'm checking in this beautiful hostel. So this is where I'm gonna say goodbye to Jamaican walk by till we meet again. I don't know when.
Yeah, man. So you're here, you're safe, and I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna head out right about now. So it's massive. It's so good to see you, Marwa.
Nice to meet you as well.
See, I meet your sister, so it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
We're gonna have loads of fun. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna be perfect. All right. So. Windas and blast. So massive, remember if you're not yet subscribed to Dee,
Please check me out, Dee Mwango. And if you're watching from my audience, subscribe. Let's get him to 100K, okay?
Figure that. So one Jamaica walk by, we're outside. Big up yourself, Dee. Big up to everybody. We're gonna close right now. Mad thing, we're outside. See?
See you later.
That is it. Yeah, massive. So just let off Dee and heading out to Kingston quick and fast, like yeah. So it's gonna be crazy. So that was awesome meeting her, like OMG, like trust me, she's such a cool spirit, and she's gonna do well in Jamaica. She's gonna be great. I'm not gonna be here to do much more videos with her. I just assisted her on the way down from Montego Bay to Kingston. So yeah, massive big up to everybody who stayed tuned and watched the video. I just want to say thank you guys. You don't know, big up. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, please may I ask you to subscribe to the channel. No doubt. Sin, figure that. Big up and love always. All my Jamaica walk by massive. Blessings.